Okay, hello viewers. Viewers, in this video we are going to learn how service taxes we collect from our services. Means if we provide services to any other company and we need to collect the services from them. Okay, so how service tax is collected from them. Let's see. For if we're providing service means we are selling service, and which company. So first, selling means we have to create some ledgers. Okay, ledgers. Okay, for example, MS Wintech computer. Let's see whether I have already prepared this one. Here I have already prepared MS Wintech computer. It says sundry debtors. Okay, no price list, maintain batch wise. Okay, yes. Default period, no need. Inventory, cost center and interest calculation, no. Keep it no. Okay, service tax is applicable, yes. Applicable service tax. Okay, here select not applicable. Okay, TDS no need, then accept the screen of ledger creation. Now sales maintenance service, let's see whether I have created or not. Sales export, sales branch, no, I didn't create it so far. So let's create sales maintenance service. Okay, this should be under sales account. Okay, inventory and cost centers are not required because it is service, and interest also. Okay, is service tax applicable? Yes. Okay, for the purpose of for why we are collecting this management service or repair. Okay, maintenance service we can also call maintenance service and repair. Accept this, no need. VAT return, no need. Value, okay, we can take no problem. This one based on value like this also take no problem, but it won't create it anything, it won't be affected. Then output service tax. Output service tax on maintenance. Okay, it should be keep under duties and taxes. In here you have to select service tax, tax on maintenance service or repair. Okay, inventory, cost center and interest active calculation should be no. Is TDS applicable? This one also no. Accept the ledger creation screen. Now we have created sundry debtors, MS Wintech computer, sales, under sales account, service tax, sales maintenance, then output service tax on maintenance. Then go to the sales ledger. Here how we can make, first go voucher, from gateway of tally go to the voucher, then go to the F8, it's a sales. Okay, account in select account invoice, not item invoice. Here select MS Wintech computer. Okay, if you have the details or the dispatch, everything, anything, okay, accept this one. Okay, here select which service you are paying. Sales. Okay, we are giving sales maintenance service. The service cost is 10,000. Okay, here output tax, the output tax should be added to the service. Okay, is a pure agent, again is given to the pure agent. He is a pure agent, definitely we are the pure agent. Okay, make it pure agent. Any other percentage, no need. Okay, no amount. Direct accessible value is given 10,000. Below there is a amount 12%, so 10%, make it 12% service tax. This is 2% correct, and make it 0, only 14%. 2% service tax to 12% service tax, 2% education cess, total 1224. Okay, new ref service service tax 01. Okay, here also you can prepare new ref service tax 01. Dates, due dates are not required here, automatically displayed. Maintenance or service, output service and output service tax on maintenance. Okay, service tax ledger, output service tax on maintenance, total 11,224. Accept this screen. This is how we prepared, how we make invoice for service tax output services. Okay, this is, we have created the invoice in sales. Okay, if we receive the check from this client, go to the F6 MS Fintech computer. How much? 11,224. okay, against this service tax, it is shown service tax 01. Look, for what? Output service tax on maintenance. Let's see here, output service tax on maintenance. Select this one, accept the detail screen. Okay, debit ABC Bank, accept this. Okay, at the same day, if we are accepting, if you are not accepting in other future days, then make it change the date 25 March. Okay, this one we have accepted. Okay, this is how output service tax created. Okay, now let's see how service tax input and output is transferred in other videos. Next